the last breath of each soldier who died protecting it. The famous quote by Mahatma Savage is, "Brave die never, though the sleeping does. Their courage nerves 1,000 brave men." Thank you. Have a good day.
I would like to call Mayan Kapoor from our Stancy for speech.
देशभक्ति के आगे नला Good morning to one and all present here. I am Mayan Kapoor and I am standing here to commemorate Kargil Victory, a day that marks one of the most significant victories in the history of our nation. Now, the question arises, why do we celebrate Kargil Victory? We celebrate Kargil Victory to honor the bravery, sacrifice and patriotism of the Indian soldiers who fought and died in the Kargil War of 1999. This day of July 26 marks the successful completion of the Operation Vision. It is a day of pride, reflection and inspiration for every Indian. It is also crucial for us to understand that the freedom we enjoy today is the result of sacrifices made by the countless soldiers who stood tall with an unshakable spirit. Remember, the spirit of Kargil is in each one of us and it is our duty to uphold the values for which our soldiers fought to validate.
Thank